Mga Pemapita, few plampos na imbag na bigat. Halina't dumalo at makisaya sa pinakamasayang event ng taon. Ang Kulitangtang Festival dito sa Bayan ng Tantangan. Today, we celebrate our rich culture, tradition, and the abundance of our harvest with exciting activities and competition. I'm Aljon Rivera, naranyag nga Tantangan. Shine Tantangan!
Welcome and let the activities begin. Mabuhay Bayan ng Tantangan!
Naimbag manam ka na kayo amin, tata, makakita tayo isab sa bali, kinagpipintas nga kubo. Ken produkto, iti tantangan nyos. Apan kayo ito'y tantangan, aglagsak tayon.
Today, we're showcasing the creativity and uniqueness of our 13 barangays through the Bahay Kubo competition. Each barangay created their own team Bahay Kubo, showcasing a variety of local products, vegetables, and fruits from their own community.
Hi everyone! Today, I will bring you an exclusive peek into the bonsai and Suzuki exhibit right here in the beautiful town of Tantangan.
Your Mutya ng Tantangan 2025!
We will witness the 13 empowered ladies from different barangay and private sector showcasing their advocacy, intelligence, and dedication as they vie for the committed crowd.
I believe that the secret behind this is our collaboration between the people and our government. And with this, it was possible for us to be a second class despite being the third class municipality. And with this, if I will be crowned Mutya ng Tantangan 2025, I will use my platform to include each and every people in this municipality.
Your Mutya ng Tantangan 2025 is Mutya number 5!
These 8 contenders exude remarkable beauty, intelligence, authenticity, and poise that captivates the audience and judges. Nagpakitang gilas ang mga talentadong estudyante sa isang mass dance competition mula sa iba't ibang paaralan ng Tantangan. Nagpakita sila ng mahuhusay na koreografiya at makukulay na kasuotan. At ang umuwing kampiyon ay ang paaralan ng Tantangan National Grade High School ng Barangay San Felipe.
Naranyag nga Tantangan, shine Tantangan!